So I have a really oh jeez, I have a really bad case of the hiccups right now. Like I just said, I don't know why I have my sunglasses on because it's not doing anything, and I look really bad right now. Oh, there it goes again. I think you should all damn hiccups. I think you should all go to my YouTube account and watch my spoons videos because they're funny. But apparently me dancing to a sexy chick gets a lot of views. Because I just put that up yesterday and I have over 100 views, which is actually a lot for my videos. I don't know if it's because of what I'm wearing or because of my dancing, because I swear to God that's not how I really dance. But yeah. Oh, jeez. I was gonna try to talk normally with my hiccups, like pretending they didn't faze me, but that's kind of hard to do because they do faze me. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. I'm kind of tired. I had danced till like 10:30 last night, 11 o'clock. And we started at 6, so I'm a little tired. But my show's this Thursday, so it's all good. And why is my screen name signed on when I'm not on it? I have two, and one of them just signed on. I have a virus. Oh, on my screen name. Awesome. Oh, I'm gonna go now. Okay, bye.